here. I know some of you guys saying like this ain't a fifth gear bike. It is. So basically it's both. The wheel in the back. I'm gonna show you guys. So let me get off right here. Oops. Okay, so the wheel in the back, it have two wheels. One could go like this and the other one should fit. You have two. This one don't go at all, but this one, it's like a hybrid, basically. A lot of people, I seen people in my comments saying it's not fifth gear. I'm like, yeah, it is. It's both. It's like a hybrid. But yeah, it's like pretty both, honestly. A mango tree. Today's Monday. I can't go in here. Oh, I gotta turn around. Okay, yeah. But yeah, I guess you could say it's like a hybrid or whatever. But I really just use it to exercise and also just go little short places. Plan on getting a different wheels and different handlebars for it though. And I want to customize the ram of this, the frame.